Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to see about the previous lecturer our subject specialist solve papers of zoology subject. So the first paper we are going to see is the Federal Public Service Commission part 1. First question is date microbes were discovered in microscope by. The answer is option A. Second question is date cell theory was formulated by, and the answer is option B. Third question is the soluble part of the cytoplasm is mitochondria, cytosol, matrix or none of these, and the answer is option B, cytosol. Question number 4 is which of the following is non-renewable resource, and the answer is fossil fuel, option B. Question number 5 is herpetology is the study of reptiles, answer is the option D. Sixth MCQs is dead. Ornithology is the study of birds. Answer is the option C, birds. Seventh question is date the number of electrons present in nature are, and the answer is date 92, option C. The next question is date carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen forms of an animal's body weight, and the answer is option D, 97%. Next question is that which of the following is trace elements? Options are oxygen, iron, hydrogen, carbon, and the answer is option B, iron. Next question, the smallest part of an element that can enter into a chemical reaction is called dash. Answer is option B, atom. Next question, the amount of matter in an object is called, answer is option A, mass. A subject that conducts electricity in solution form is called, answer is option B, electrolytes. A subject that releases hydrogen ions when dissolved in water, answer is option C, acid. Polyhydroxyaldehyde and ketones are what? Answer is option B, carbohydrates. Nitrogen is present in which form? Answer is option A, proteins. Which of the following is a monosaccharide? Answer is option A, glucose. Which of the following is a polysaccharide? And the answer is option B, cellulose. Chitin is a carbohydrates. Answer is chitin is a carbohydrates, option B. Next, which of the following compound is absent in plasma membrane? And the answer is option D, wax. The word mosaic is used for proteins, carbohydrates, cholesterol, lipids. Answer is the option B, carbohydrates. Hydrophilic end of the lipid molecules has, answer is option C, phosphate. The tail of lipid molecules has fatty acid. Answer is option A, fatty acid. The molecules which stabilize the structure of plasma membrane is, answer is option A, fatty acids. Which of the following act as fingerprint of the cell? Answer is option B, glycocalyx. Next question, sodium potassium pump is present in the cells. Answer is option C, nerves. The endoplasmic reticulum consists of a network of membranous tubules and sacs called, answer is cisternae, option C. Muscle contraction is stimulated by, answer is RER, mean rough endoplasmic reticulum. The membrane enclosed bag of hydrolytic enzymes that the cell used to digest macromolecules are, option B. Answer is option B, lysosomes. The next question is microtubules are made up of proteins, and the answer is option B, tubulin. Next question, microfilaments are made up of protein, and the answer is option A, actin. Next, the diameter of intermediate filament is, answer is option B, 8 to 12 nanometer. And next is that exomeans of microtubules consist of number of microtubules. Answer is option C, 9. The arms project towards the neighboring duplet in cilia is, answer is option A. Which of the following are not connective tissues? Answer is option D, nerves. Interstellated disks are present in, answer is option C. The chief source of energy is solar, answer is option B. The energy present in food is, answer is option A, potential. The number of calories in kilocalories are, answer is option C, 1000. Degree of disorganization is, answer is option B, entropy. The lowering of the activation of energy of a reaction is called, answer is D, none of the above these option. The optimum pH for enzyme is 3284 and the answer is option C, 8. So the optimum pH for enzyme is 8. Pepsin has an optimal pH, answer is B, that is 2. The optimum pH of trypsin is, answer is option D, 9. Which of the following is coenzyme? Answer is option B. The first step of respiration is, answer is option C, glycolysis. The end product of glycolysis is, answer is option D, pyruvate. The enzyme which control the phosphorylation of glucose is lipase. Answer is option C. The total number of ATP produced during glycolysis is 4. The total number of ATP used during glycolysis is 2. The end product of fermentation in higher animal is lactic acid. Which of the following molecule is used during fermentation? Answer is option B. Which of the following molecules is produced during fermentation? Answer is option A, ATP. Which of the following compound is produced during Krebs cycle? Answer is option A, citric acid. Which of the following compound enters into the Krebs cycle? Answer is option C, acetyl-CoA. And next question is the mechanism of oxidative phosphorylation is, answer is option C, and the net production of ATP from the respiration of one molecule of glucose is 36. The centromere is a specific DNA sequence of about number of nucleotides 220. DNA replicate during, answer is option B, S phase. Cell division occur during the G1 phase, S phase or G2 phase or none of these, and the answer is option D, none of these. Crossing over take place during leptotene, pectine, dikinases or diplotin. Answer is pectine, option B. Chromatids repel each other in, answer is diplotin. Charismata dissolve in, answer is option C, dikinases. Which of the following is linker protein? Answer is H1. Which of the following proteins is absent is in a nucleosome? Answer is H4. Then X naught system is found in, or X0 system is found in, answer is option C. ZW system is found in, answer is birds. XY system is found in, answer is main. 2 नंबर -1 जो है वो हमारे पास आ जाएगा, आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. देन 2n+1 इज द ट्राइसोमिक, 2n+2 इज द टेट्रासोमिक. Franklin's X-rays data indicates that the helix makes one full turn after every. Answer is option B. The helix has a uniform width. Answer is option A. Peptide bond is formed on. Answer is option B, P site. The formation of puff in insects is controlled by. Answer is the option B. And the anticodon is present in. Answer is option B. Which of the following is initiation code? Answer is option C. Which of the following is termination codes? Answer is UAA. Option A. The enzyme which join the piece of the DNA is ligase. Answer is option B. The daily time of the decreased metabolism and lower body temperature is called B torpor. The period of the inactivity in some animals for withstanding dry period is called. Answer is option D, estivation. Animals that feed on plants by cropping portion of the plant but not killing the plant is herbivore. The association in which one organisms live in or on a second organism is called parasite. The continuing and intimate associations between two different species are called? Answer is symbiosis. The symbiotic relationship that benefits both members is called mutualism. A symbiotic relationship in which one member benefits and the second is neither helped or nor harmed is called commensalism. The continuing and intimate associations between two different species are called symbiosis. The hiding of an animal or its developmental stages from one another animal by animal's color pattern is called camouflage. A species resembles one or more than one other species, it is called mimicry. And then we have that all the attributes of lifestyle of an animal is called ecological Nike. The process of change a community in predictable way is called, answer is option C. The entire successional sequence is the answer B. And their communities and their physical environment are called ecosystem. The consumer that feed on large chunks of dead and decaying organic matter are called scavengers. Lion is a consumer. Bacteria is a decomposer. The area near the shore of ponds is called littoral. The open water area of pond is called limnatic. The shallow zone where land meets water is called intertidal. The shallow region over the continental shelves beyond the intertidal zone is called neritic, and the open water at the seafloor is called benthic zone. Answer is benthic. So that's all about today's solved paper.